Hey everybody, Wes here from Scamps Automotive. Today I'm working on a 2000 Chevy Astro van. Customer said blower motor for the AC and heat is not working at all. After some quick investigating, I found that the 20 amp fuse underneath the dash was blown. So I put another one in. Blower works just fine on high speed. As soon as you try and go to any of the other three lower speeds, the fuse keeps blowing. And so, of course, my first thought was, oh, the resistor must be drawing too much resistance, blowing the circuit. Now on this particular one, your blower motor's here, and the resistor is that gray guy right down there with that electrical connector plugged into it. So it has a harness that goes from the resistor to the blower motor where it gives power. The way the circuit works is when you're on high speed, it completely bypasses that resistor and gives full power to the fan, so no problem there. Whenever you're on any of the lower three settings, the resistor causes an intentional voltage drop to lower the output of the fan. So I put a new resistor in, and the exact same thing. I'm like, huh, what the heck? So I start tracing the harness from the resistor down, and it goes down and it runs in a harness underneath the radiator. And I'll show you what I found, because if you're having a similar problem, this could very well be what it is. So I got the harness all pulled apart. Usually this thing here is tucked underneath the radiator, but I found as it goes under the radiator, right on a metal part here, it had rubbed through some of the wires, and so a bunch of the wiring is all exposed and melted together, and so I got it all kind of pulled apart and torn apart. But yeah, the wiring is just super jacked up, so I'm gonna have to splice all these bad wires together, put a bunch of electrical tape, try and tuck this somewhere that it can be protected. But you'll see the harness, it runs up this way, and then right into the resistor plug here. So if it keeps blowing on you and you don't know why and the resistor is not the problem, check that harness. They routed it kind of funny. This thing's really old, so it tends to happen. Alright, from Scamps Automotive, keep on wrenching.